this is our final project. My name is Catarina, and the other developer that's actually commenting the mouse is Leonardo Silva. Where I'm 26, he's 22. We live together in Lourdes, Lisbon, and our project is called Amor, Graça. You might not understand it at first because it's a Portuguese name, but we will talk more about it on the About page you're seeing now. On the home page, we have a carousel with a few random images that users uploaded. And below it, we have 4 randomly generated recipes from our database where you can click on them and you can see the details of the recipe. If you go to the recipes page, you will see basically all recipes uploaded, and we have the infinity scroll functionality. Well, you can see a bunch of random images because we just wanted to show that the infinity scroll actually works. Now, if you go to the login page, you will see 2 forms, one where you have an account and one where you haven't. While logged in, when you log in, you can see that the profile and logout buttons have appeared. If you go to the profile button, you will see the recipes you have uploaded and the X where you can delete the posts. You can also change your name, email, and password. And if you go to recipes, you now have a form where you can upload a recipe. And you can also delete yours both on your profile and here on the recipes page directly. You cannot manipulate other people's recipes, only your own. Now, if we also have a third option, which is if you're an ADM. If you're an administrator, you will see all recipes uploaded to our website. So an administrator, I said we because the developers are the ones. We can delete the posts on our profile, all of them, and we have the add administrator option where we can add admins, which means if you try to upload some weird recipe or something funny, we can actually delete it. And this is our final project. Basically, we can also delete all recipes from the recipes page. We hope you guys enjoy it, and this is CS50.